show that x less than sine inverse x is less than x under root 1 minus x square for x greater than 0 and less than 1. First method is Lagrange mean value theorem. Lagrange mean value theorem. Fx, take fx as sine inverse x. Now first, fx is continuous on 0 to x. Now x is greater than 0. Keep that in mind. x 0 से बड़ा है इसीलिए. Number 2, fx is derivable on open interval 0 to x. There exists a theta belonging to 0, 1. That is theta is in between 0 and 1 such that f dash theta x is equal to f of x minus f of 0 upon x minus 0. Now you have fx as sine inverse x. F of 0 is 0. F dash x is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. So f dash theta x is 1 upon under root 1 minus theta square x square. Now put the values. यहाँ पे values put करो. Upon under root 1 minus theta square x square is equal to fx. Fx is sine inverse x minus 0 upon x minus 0. This is nothing but sine inverse x upon x. This can also be written as x upon cross multiply कर दो. Under root 1 minus, wait a minute, this is x. 1 minus theta square x square is equal to sine inverse of this. Sine inverse x. Now, number 1 point. Now, since theta is in between 0 and 1, so multiply with x and x is greater than 0. X 0 से बड़ा है. Therefore, multiply 0 theta x less than x. That means from here theta x is greater than 0. Theta square x square is greater than 0 minus theta square x square is less than 0 with a minus sign. Add 1 on all sides. 1 minus theta square x square is less than 1. That means take the under root from here. This part. Under root 1 minus theta square x square is less than 1. Take the reciprocal. 1 minus theta square x square is greater than 1. Multiply x on both sides. X under root 1 minus theta square x square is greater than x, and this whole quantity is nothing but this sine inverse x. This whole quantity is nothing but sine inverse x. This whole quantity, पूरा quantity sine inverse x के बराबर है. So now, therefore, sine inverse x is greater than x. Equation number 1. Next condition. Take the next condition. Now, we know theta is greater than 0, less than 1, and x is greater than 0. Multiply. 0, theta x is less than x. Undoubtedly. So, theta square x square is less than x square. Multiply with minus. Minus theta square x square is greater than minus x square. Now add 1 on both sides. Theta square x square is greater than 1 minus x square. Take a under root on all sides. Take under root on all sides. Take under root. Under root 1 minus theta square x square is greater than under root 1 minus x square. Take the reciprocal. 1 minus theta square x square is less than 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Multiply by x on all sides. X under root 1 minus theta square x square is less than x under root 1 minus x square. So now this quantity is same as sine inverse x. This quantity you can see here. ये quantity जो है, ये quantity ये sine inverse x के बराबर है. Sine inverse, this quantity is equal to sine inverse x. So now from here, therefore let's write it here only. Sine inverse x is less than x under root 1 minus x square. Equation number 2. From 1 and 2. From this equation and from this equation. 1 and 2. So x is less than sine inverse x, and from this sine inverse x is less than x upon under root 1 minus x square. Second method, the question was x is less than sine inverse x less than x under root 1 minus x square for x between 0 to 1. Select fx equal to sine inverse x minus x and consider phi x, another function phi x equal to x under root 1 minus x square minus sine inverse x. Now how to select? This function is greater than this, so write this function first, this function with the minus sign and second time in the second part. ये बड़ा है, इसको पहले लिखो, ये छोटा है, ये बाद में लिखो, बीच में एक माइनस डालो. Now how to select this phi x? This is bigger, write this one first. This is smaller, write this one with a minus sign here, with a minus sign. देखो ये बड़ा है, इससे इसको पहले लिखो बड़े वाले को, छोटे वाले को पीछे लिखो एक माइनस साइन के साथ. This is the point. This is the. Now you will do f dash x. Here f dash x, that is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square minus 1, and phi dash x, use numerator denominator rule, equal to under root 1 minus x square into 1 minus x dd of x of under root 1 minus x square whole. The square of this is this, minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Take the LCM. F dash x is 1 minus under root 1 minus x square upon under root 1 minus x square. Done. Phi dash x is, open the things now, under root 1 minus x square minus x 1 upon 2 under root 1 minus x square into minus 2x whole bracket upon 1 minus x square minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. This 2 cancels with this 2, this minus with this becomes plus. So now phi dash x, let's consider phi dash x is, take the LCM of this and this, 1 minus x square plus x square upon under root 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. So this becomes, this x square cancels out. This becomes 1 upon 1 minus x square to the power of, from here to the power of 3 by 2. Take the LCM here, minus 1 minus x square. So this becomes, so phi dash x becomes x square upon 1 minus x square to the power of 3 by 2. This is the thing. So what we have, अब हमारे पास क्या क्या है, एक ये है और एक ये है. Let us write it down. We have phi dash x and f dash x as 1 minus under root 1 minus x square upon 1 minus x square under root. These two things we have got. हमारे पास ये दोनों चीजें हैं. अब now you know one thing. X is in between 0 and 1. So x square is also squaring all the sides. It's less than this. Take a minus. So now we will have minus 1 is greater than minus x square, and that is wait a minute, just a minute, not this way. You will write minus 1 is less than minus x square is less than 0. Now you will write 1 on all sides. This will become add 1 on all sides. Add karo 1 charo taraf. 1 minus 1 under root, sorry, less than 1 minus x square less than 1. So this becomes 0, 1 minus x square less than 1. So this is, now this becomes, take the under root, 0 under root 1 minus x square is less than 1. Now write a minus sign on all sides. Now write a minus sign on all sides. So minus 1 less than under root 1 minus x square is less than 0. Add 1 on all sides. Add 1 on all sides. 1 under, sorry, less than 1 minus under root 1 minus x square less than 1. So this comes out to be 0, 1 minus under root 1 minus x square is less than 1. Now from this part and from this part, ये वाला part और ये वाले part से, see, this becomes positive. This quantity becomes positive. F dash x becomes positive because this is positive. Numerator is positive. Numerator positive है. Denominator positive है. तो f dash x positive हो गया. Therefore, the numerator is positive. The denominator is positive. So f dash x is positive, greater than 0. This is greater than 0. This This quantity is greater than 0. Therefore, this quantity is greater than 0. So now from these two equations we are seeing, see what we have f dash x as. F dash x is 1 minus under root 1 minus x square is under root 1 minus x square. Now from here it is greater than 0, from here it is greater than 0, this quantity is greater than 0. That means fx is increasing. Fx is increasing. Therefore, suppose I choose 0 less than x. So implies f of 0 is less than f of x. That is same as f of x. Wait a minute. This is f of x. This is same as. Now what is f of 0? What was fx? Fx was sine inverse x minus x. So f of 0 is 0. So 0, fx is what? Sine inverse of x minus x. Take this on the other side. So x is less than sine inverse x. So equation number 1. Now this is equation number 1. ये equation number 1 हो गया. अब आते हैं phi dash x पे. What is phi dash x? This quantity. Phi dash x is this quantity. We already know 1 upon this 1 minus x square is greater than 0 but less than 1. So now for phi dash x, what was phi dash x? Phi dash x was x square upon 1 minus x square to the power of 3 by 2. Now you already know x less than 1, 0, x square less than 1. So you already know minus 1 minus x square less than 0. Add 1 on all sides. 1 minus 1 less than 1 minus x square less than 1. implies 0, 1 minus x square less than 0, so less than 1, less than 1, less than 1. Take 3 power root. Take the root 3 by 2 on all sides. In the next step, let's do it in the next step. Take 3 by 2 as root on all sides on this. So 0, 1 minus x square to the power of 3 by 2 less than 1. This quantity is greater than 0. X square is greater than 0. Therefore phi dash x is greater than 0. Phi dash x is greater than 0. So phi x is increasing function. So now you have x under root 1 minus x square. So just a minute. So now you have, wait a minute. Now so 0 less than x implies phi of 0 is less than phi of x. What is phi of x? What is phi of x? Phi of x is x under root 1 minus x square minus sine inverse x. So phi of 0 is 0 minus 0 is 0. So therefore, from here 0 is less than phi of x. That means 0 is less than this whole quantity. X under root 1 minus x square minus sine inverse x. Bring this, इसको इधर लेके आओ. Sine inverse x is less than x under root 1 minus x square, equation number 2. And we have equation number 1 here. This is our equation number 1. This is our equation number 1. And this is our equation number 2. So from both of these, x is less than sine inverse x. And from here, sine inverse x under root 1 minus x square.